Okay, so I already started cutting the lace for this wig, so I'm just going to show you how I glue it down. And this wig is from Megalook hair, and I'm going to put the specs down below. It's their like highlighted balayage type style. Now that we're going into spring, I thought it'd be nice to have some color, a little bit of color, you know, going on. So ignore my voice, I'm really sick, very, very sick. I don't know why, but I just got back from vacation, birthday vacation, and I'm totally sick, but I have to film these videos. So yeah, I started cutting it. I did kind of like snag the lace a little bit, so I just had to cut it off camera. So I'm just gonna glue it down. I think this is a 13x6, I'm not sure. It does seem to go further back. Yeah, I feel like it's a 13x6. I am gonna use the Wonderlace glue spray thingamajig. And I also use my, what do you call this? This gripped glue. It's kind of like the, you know, Ghost Bond, but I really like this brand really well. And sometimes I use my olive oil spray as well. So we're gonna use a combination of these two. I also had to bleach the knots as well. And I also used my Wig Guru's lace tint. You know, there isn't really much lace left because I've already cut it, but that also helps to, like, you know, once I have my foundation on, it helps to blend the lace. Also ignore my nails. It is time for some new nails. I just haven't had the chance since I got back to get them redone. The lace is pretty thin. I did, you know, I did create a few holes while I was plucking it, so be very careful if you're not very good and very skilled at plucking. really like it. It really took to the curls really well. I don't know if it's gonna stay curled, if it holds a curl, but so far so good. I love this, like the subtle, you know, highlights, you know, around the hair. It's not like too overpowering. So yes, I really like this look. I've been liking a lot of Megalook's wigs as of late, and this definitely is another fave. If you like this wig, I'll definitely put the info in the description box as usual. Absolutely love it. Definitely will be rocking this wig a lot. I think I had something similar to this a while ago, and I think I must have sold it. So I'm glad to have a fresh new wig. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.